Greetings. Today we will start an Android emulator, create a new project from a B4X template, build and install this B4A project, and use it. All of this will be done via the VSCode B4X IDE Companion. The first thing you need to ensure is that you are using the latest version of the B4X Companion extension. First, you need to ensure that you have installed a B4X emulator. In the View command palette, find the B4X Companion and select Start Android Emulator. This process will start your installed emulator and display it. We will install our newly created Android app here. The next step is to create our new Android app. Go to View, Command Palette, and find the B4X Companion, and select New B4X Project from Template. Select the B4X template you want. Then type the project name and press Enter. The project name should not have spaces. The newly created project will be loaded to the VS Code workspace. From here, you are able to explore and also update the source code to suit your needs. For this demonstration, we will not change anything on the source code. We will execute a build and install process directly to our Android emulator. In the View command palette, find the B4X Companion and select the Build and Install Project command. This will start a console process to build the source code of your project and install it to any connected device. In this case, this will be the Android emulator. When the app is installed, you can use it, go back, and add more features to it and debug it. Thank you for checking this reel out. Please like and subscribe to our channel to get more helpful videos like this.